Want a healthy meal packed with protein? Let's make this juicy chicken and broccoli bowl. Cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces. Then keep the seasoning simple. Garlic, paprika, black pepper, and just a little salt. Add the seasoned chicken to a hot pan and let it sear. Give it a little space so it can actually brown instead of steam. Let the chicken cook until it's beautifully golden and completely cooked through. Keep it juicy. Healthy chicken doesn't have to be dry. Now take the chicken out and use the same pan for the broccoli. Add a splash of water and cook it just until it's bright green and tender. And for an easy extra boost of protein, cook 1 egg in the same pan. Simple ingredients can make a seriously satisfying meal.
And there it is, a simple, healthy meal packed with protein.